Hello, welcome to the fifth video of the singular reading course. In here, I'm hoping to read out the words, letters, when the lift up symbol is added onto it. So if you look at the root letter here is ga, and then when you add the symbol to lift up the sound is a g. And then the next letter, the root letter is ja, and when you add the symbol to lift up the sound, that's aj. Then we have tha, at. The is the root letter, and then add the symbol to shift or lift up the sound, that's ad. Pa, up. Ha, sha, sh. Sa, s. Na, n. Ya, ay. Ta, at. Da, ad. Ba, ab. Ma, wa, aw. Now you can see the letters at the um, bottom row. The ta, da, ba, ma, wa. When you lift the sound up, it's not the same symbol. So you will have to memorize this one because the letters at the top two rows, um, there's a flag like a symbol that you use, but at the bottom rows, bottom row, it's different. So just keep that in mind. The same purpose, but different symbols. I think it's because it's difficult to have the same symbol onto the bottom letters. I honestly don't know the reason why, but it is how it is. Okay, so let's go through the sounds again. This time I will only just sound out the letter g, j, at, ad, up, ish, s, an, ay, at, ad, ab, oh. Okay, let's do it again. Ug, edge, at, ad, up, ish, s, an, ay, at, ad, ab, oh. Okay, one more time. Ug, edge, at, ad, up, ish, s, an, ay, at, ad, ab, of. Okay, now I will try and do random selection of letters. Let's do this one. That's s, edge, at, e, up, ug, an, ab, ad, at, ad, edge. I think I covered all of them. Yeah, if not, what you had to do is to just go back to the beginning of the video and then replay it. You will hear the sounds again. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you.